Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop the auto-scroll issue on Twitter. So, if you're facing auto-scrolling on your Twitter, I'll show you how you can easily fix that. First, open your X or Twitter app. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left. Here you will find the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down, and here you will see the Your Account option. Go into that, and then tap on Deactivate Account. After that, deactivate your account and confirm your password. Once the deactivation is successful, simply reactivate your account again. After doing this, the auto-scrolling issue on your Twitter should be fixed. So guys, that's it. Make sure to like the video and consider subscribing to my channel.